Are you having problems with your WhatsApp call being unavailable and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your WhatsApp app, and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, just scroll down a little bit until you can see where it says general, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. Now on this page, scroll down just a little bit, and then you're going to select where it says storage. So click on storage in here. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. Now on this page, you're just going to scroll down, and you're going to find the WhatsApp app in here, by the way, just so you know. So just keep scrolling down and click on WhatsApp. And in here, you're going to click where it says upload app. And then once again, click on upload app. And here, as you can see, just wait a couple of seconds. And then you're going to click on the blue button here once again, as you can see. And now you might wonder, why do I have to do this? And that's a great question. So the reason why you need to do this is because you will now get an automatic update of your WhatsApp app. It's going to fix a lot of bugs that you had in the previous version. So actually just wait for this one right here to automatically update, as you can see, and then go back into your WhatsApp and try again. So I hope that this will be able to fix this problem for you, as it was able to fix it for me.